So welcome back everyone to another episode of our BPO Budget Travels and Gala vlog. So today is a Sunday, which is love
Family Day.
Family Day.
That's why we brought
Our baby.
here. Our
Yes.
baby. Hi, say hi.
And our gala now is in Tagaytay.
And we decided to have picnic kasi
Yes.
Family Day.
Yeah, so this is gonna be half-day trip here in Tagaytay. We'll let you know the itinerary. But before that, please like, share, and subscribe. So our first stop for our Tagaytay Gala is here in Picnic Grove. So we just bought our food, fast food, and then for nice scenic picnic, we just went here to Picnic Grove. We're gonna check out the things that, or the things that this place has to offer. Pero for now, it's really nice, fresh air.
Nice
The feel of nature, nice view. You know, 75 pesos per head is really worth
it.
Yes. So 75 pesos per head, and then you get to rent the tables for about 150. So it still swaks a budget, right?
Hello guys! So ayun, kakatapos lang namin mag-lunch.
Yes.
And plano namin before kami umalis, kasi lilipat kami ng pupunta kami ng Crosswinds. Kasi curious kami doon. Ang ganda kasi ng place, parang Switzerland, no? Ayun, before kami pumunta doon, plano namin na pasyalan tong area.
Yes.
Ayun.
We're gonna show you around Picnic Grove kasi this is one of the oldest na pasyalan here in Tagaytay. And ang pinaka-ace itong place ito is, it's breathtaking view of the Taal Volcano.
I agree.
Sobrang
Ganda.
iba yung view niya
Wow.
from this place. We'll show you later. And then we're also gonna show you what this place has to offer, like their zip line and
Horseback riding.
they also have a horseback riding, and also they have this Ferris wheel. So they also offer rides. Yun. We're gonna show you later, and see ya.
See you there.
Ayan no, taray. May pa-horseback riding pa sila. Pero pa-picture lang yan. 30 pesos daw po isang sakay dyan. Cute eh. So ayan, dito naman tayo sa zipline. So, ito yung mga rules and regulations sa pagsakay dito. Which is hindi ko naman kailangan na siguro kasi takot ako sa heights eh. Hindi mo ako mapapasakay dyan. Ayun, nakita niyo ba kung magkano yung price kanina? 300 pesos po. Pero baliwala lang sa akin yan kasi never mo akong mapapasakay dyan. As in...
guys!
Hello!
So, we're here sa our next stop.
Which is Crosswinds here in Tagaytay. Yes. Actually, isa ito sa mga trending na lugar dito sa Tagaytay because this is dubbed as the Switzerland in the Philippines.
And it shows naman sa location niya. Paikot ko Ayan. Para tayo nasa Europe, nasa Switzerland.
Yes.
Diba?
So, to be able to go to this place, actually, they charge 500 per car. I believe 200 per bike. So, it really doesn't matter kung ilan yung laman ng car. It's non-consumable, but it's worth it. The reason why it's worth it is if you are looking for relaxation, peace of mind, this is a very relaxing place. Powered by 30,000 pine trees. Yon.
Dami.
Yes, so
diba?
if you are into nature trip, you should check out this place.
Pasyon namin kayo. Okay? See you.
So we're here in Napa, which is the winery section of Crosswinds. They have a small restaurant or a small wine shop on top. Pero the good thing about this place is it's a spectacular view. So yes, diba napakaganda. Medyo nandun siya sa edge ng Crosswind.
Maliwalas pa.
Yes. And since we're gonna be driving, unfortunately no wine tasting for us today. But we're gonna try their pastries later on once we get to the other part of Crosswinds. Okay, see ya! So isa rin din sa pinupuntahan dito, love, is yung Santa's Workshop, which is also here in Crosswinds. Ayan, namamasyal lang kami dito. Actually, napakagandang maglakad-lakad at mag-ikot. Because napaka-relaxing, fresh air. Di ba, love?
Elves ba tayo?
Yes. No. Ikaw si Santa.
Tingnan natin kung ano meron.
Say hi! Nakita mo si Santa nasa loob? Nandyan?
Si Santa Rita.
Yan, so dahil wala pang Christmas, wala pa sila Santa. Ayan, wala pa yung laman. Dahil yung mga duwende ay nakabakasyon pa. So, ayun, absent si Santa. Di ba, love?
Yes.
Love, meron ditong coffee shop na ang concept ay parang ruins. We're gonna check it out. Siguro daan lang kasi ang target talaga namin dito is the windmill. Yung pinaka-trademark nila. Yep. Few kilometers down the road. And yung kasi yung pinaka-trademark, yung nakikita natin sa mga iba't ibang mga pictures. Yes. No, pictures nitong Crosswinds. Kumbaga yun yung signature nila na logo and signature nila na building dito.
Yeah.
Yun ang itatry namin. Pero daan muna tayo sa Ruin Project. So eto yung isa sa mga masarap dayuhin dito, yung mga trail. If you're looking for peace of mind, gusto nyo magmuni-muni, maglakad-lakad at magpahangin, this is the right place. Whee! We're here in the Windmill Lausanne, the signature cafe of Crosswinds. We're gonna cap off our Tagaytay Gala with a quick merienda. Maybe we're gonna just drink a shake, no love? We heard masarap ang strawberry shake nila dito. And then we're going home. Thank you very much for joining us in another vlog. We'll see you next time. Once again, guys, please like,
comment,
share,
and subscribe.
Thank you. See ya.
You.